$1.50. That was $1. See, they keep raising prices because of Corona. But about to go to Cookies. I got a burger spot right there. They done changed up down here. We're going in Cookies.
Poor story.
Alright, let's go downstairs to the boys' floor. I used to work in this store, guys. Me and Kimberly and Carmel used to work in this store together. These are our departments. This was years ago. Boys store. This music's gotta go. See? But I'm gonna go get him a jacket though, cause the jacket he got on is small on him, and this is not his winter coat. But his winter coat is small too, cause I got it from last year. So I'm about to go on this side to the uniform section. I don't miss it. I'm gonna stop. I'm acting like I miss it. Come on, Kimani. You getting him Louise or money? Oh, I like this color. No, that color. I mean, I like this color. Come on, Kimani. Come over here. Should I get this color for him? Or should I get... No, I'm good. I'm alright. Thank you. Okay. Wait. Let's do the black one. It's not the size though. 14, 16. Look, you want that color or that color? This one? Yeah, because you never had this color before. I like this too. Because he had black before. Kind of go with his sneakers. Just a little bit. Alright, we're going to get this one. This is $80. Not bad. Let's take that jacket off and try it on. Zip it up. Zip it up. All the way up. Turn around. I can't see a thing. Are you? Man, you is tall. How should I get the other? No, I can't get the other size because then the hoodie's gonna be too big for you. Why does it look so small on you? Am I bugging? Kind of small. I feel like I should get a different size. Turn around. Turn around. Here's the problem for you. Can I look around? Can't see his face. At least when it snows, you be secure. You be good, right? Got all the pockets. The length of it right here. Cover his neck. Got this part in there. So I thought I'm gonna try the other size though. Let's try the other side. Come on. Mine is tall, so it's like the jacket fits him, but to me it look a little tight. When he sit down, it's gonna ride up. I was trying to get an 18, 20, but I think that would be too big for him. He's only 12. I don't think he has the same jacket. He has a gray one. Same jacket. Jacket is not the same color. I don't like how it's fitting. Oh yeah, this is the jacket. This one. This is one you have now. This gray one right here. Honestly, I think it was 14, 16 I bought. After the last thing for like 2 years. I don't know what to do, man. I'm confused. So, got a black jacket and a couple long sleeve shirts and a hat. The other color for some reason was showing tight, and this one, no black fades. Really. There are a lot more people out there. I'm about to change into this other jacket. Allison! You didn't even know this was me. She's like, all right. Hello. What's up? Kimani. Oh. Hi. What's up? Let's love cookies. And his new jacket. Feeling better. I was gonna get the other color, but this color, black, you know, black fades your weight or whatever. And Kimani's a little chubby, just a little bit. The other color was showing it up, so I'm like, even though he would like that color, just gotta get the color that much suitable for you, boy. But yeah, we're about to go to the city for a little bit and then back home. My face is hella shiny. It's freezing out here. Freezing. Oh, look at this painting, huh? Nice. It's so nice. This weather is freezing. Oh shit, look at this. Oh, look at Michael Jackson. Oh, this is dope. Look at this. That's dope. So nice. Michael Jackson. Gonna take the shuttle to Times Square. We set off at Grand Central. This a big ass train station. Oh, it's coming in 4 minutes. Right here. My first time ever taking the shuttle to Times Square. I usually walk when I get up on the 4 train. But have a shuttle. My baby. Hold on. A little in here. Man, they really got seats on here. The shuttles be having seats. Really have seats. Quick little ride. We at Times Square. Apple. Hey.
You're not gonna find her.
Look at this, Papa. Look, Toy Story. Toy Story. Hi.
Son, he's parking.
Hi.
Now, me and my guys have been taking this jump for 10 years.
I'm still right here. Still right here. She getting it in. Oh, they're cute. They're black and yellow. Black and yellow, black and yellow. We got different stuff out here in the city now. You know, put up different stuff. Look at snow globes. And look. What's up? Lion King. I don't know this one. I don't know this one. Ain't Too Proud. Oh, the Temptations. Oh. I didn't even notice them. And they got.
This is pretty wild.
This. Okay, Santo. Statue of Liberty. Got the red step. Packed on the red step. I want to see the Statue of Liberty. Yeah. Santo. I think there's Build-A Bear. I don't know. What is this? I'm not gonna let something like this. Damn, that's a loud as hell. So I am standing, everybody waiting to cross, and this little boy like stepped back and stepped on my feet, right? You know he turned around and looked at me, excuse me, dead in my face, and don't even say nothing. Like he looked me dead in my face, and I'm like, I just gotta laugh, cause he know what he did. Instead of him saying sorry, he just looked me dead in my face. It's like, you know what? Y'all gotta teach y'all kids better. Like,